Severe windstorms commenced landfall in the vicinity of Mahabalipuram in Tamil Nadu around 9:30 p.m. on Friday. The cyclonic storm is expected to fully reach the land by midnight on Friday. Prior to its arrival, traffic was halted on the East Coast Road, and commuter trains are likely to undergo rescheduling. The most significant impact of this powerful windstorm will occur when it crosses the coast between Pondicherry in Tamil Nadu and Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. Adequate personnel, including teams from the National Disaster Response Force and respective state disaster response forces, have been deployed to Tamil Nadu. During the early hours of Saturday, the storm swept across the northern coast of Tamil Nadu near Mamallapuram, bringing high winds and heavy rainfall. This unfortunate event claimed the lives of 5 individuals, caused the uprooting of approximately 500 trees, and resulted in power outages until Saturday afternoon in various parts of the city due to wind speeds reaching nearly 180 km per hour. Among the fatalities, 4 people were electrocuted in separate locations. Due to the cyclone's impact on airport operations, a total of 30 domestic and international flights had to be cancelled. The airport runway was briefly closed in the early hours of today. Additionally, 9 outbound flights were cancelled, while 21 inbound planes were redirected to alternative cities.